Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting accessory for all you Apple Watch users out there. It's the slim, thin, narrow bands compatible with Apple Watch, brought to you by Drimobiuty. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at these stylish and functional replacement bands, specifically designed for various Apple Watch models. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Now, let's talk about these slim, thin, narrow bands. They're compatible with a wide range of Apple Watch models, including the Series 9, Series 8, Series 7, Series 6, Series 5, Series 4, Series 3, Series 2, Series 1, Ultra, Ultra 2, and SE. The bands are made of premium silicone material, known for its durability and flexibility. This material ensures that the bands are comfortable to wear and resistant to sweat and water, making them perfect for daily use and exercise. One of the standout features of these bands is their unique narrow slim design. They're thinner and smaller than standard bands, giving your wrist a slimmer appearance and allowing for greater freedom of movement. They're also designed with breathable holes, making it easier to adjust the length for a perfect fit. These bands come in a variety of popular colors, so you can personalize your Apple Watch to match your mood and outfit every day. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or just going about your daily routine, these bands have got you covered. Let's take a closer look at what you'll find in the box when you order these bands. You'll get the replacement band itself, and that's all you need to transform the look and feel of your Apple Watch. When it comes to sizing, you have two options to choose from. The 38mm, 40mm, 41mm size is suitable for wrists measuring 5.1 to 7.1. While the 42mm, 44mm, 45mm, 49mm size is designed for wrists measuring 5.9 to 7.9. This ensures a comfortable and secure fit for most users. There you have it, folks. These slim, thin, narrow bands compatible with Apple Watch by Drimobiuty seem to be a hit among users, offering a comfortable and stylish alternative to the standard Apple Watch bands. With their slim design, variety of colors, and compatibility with multiple Apple Watch models, these bands allow you to personalize your watch and express your unique style. If you're interested in upgrading your Apple Watch experience, these bands could be a perfect choice. You can find the link to purchase them in the description below. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and share your thoughts and experiences with these bands in the comments section. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay stylish, stay connected, and stay tuned for more reviews.